April 26, 1986. In the quiet town of Pripyat, Ukraine, a test went terribly wrong. Reactor 4 at the Chernobyl nuclear plant exploded. Radiation poured into the sky. First responders rushed in, unaware of the invisible poison around them. Some people died within days, while others suffered for years. Soviet Union tried to hide it, but radiation doesn't lie. The Sweden scientists detected the radiation. Europe raised the alarm, and the truth came out. 350,000 people were forced to leave forever. Pripyat became a ghost city. Chernobyl incident wasn't just a disaster, it was a warning, one the world should never forget.